Hey guys, today we will look at the top 5 gadgets that can help us in our daily life. If you like this video and would want me to continue this series, please leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel for the latest tech information. I will leave all the gadgets link in the description, so let's get started without wasting any time. Our first gadget is Onx LED USB clock fan with real-time display. This clock appears futuristic because it displays the current time in LED lights, as you can see. It will come with a USB cord attached to it, which you can put into a USB hub or brick to get started. It will look great in your office or on your work desk. Our next gadget is LEDMe LED Flame Bluetooth speakers. This item is interesting since it is a LED speaker in a shape of an oval. The main draw of this speaker is the LED that glows like a flame in the middle of it. You may also adjust the brightness of the LED flame according to your atmosphere. Not only that, but the speakers is also water resistant with an IP65 rating, so there is no need to be concerned about the water damage. The speaker also is equipped with the easy to use controls. Our next gadget in our list is hand-operated drones. When we talk about drones, we think about remote control drones that also come with a hefty price tag. But now I will tell you about a drone that you can control with your hands and that does not cost too much. This drone is intended for children, although adults can also enjoy playing with it. It comes with an interactive infrared induction indoor helicopter ball with 360-degree rotating and shining LED lights. To operate, it is very easy. When the toy is flying, you can control the direction by moving your hands toward the parameters of the drone. The drone will fly in other way if you do so. You can also position your palm under the drone to allow it to rise. Talking about the power, you can charge it with USB hub or brick. It will be an excellent gift for your child and friends. If you enjoy watching movies or web series but you cannot afford a movie projector, this item will make you happy. This is a 12 inches 3D HD screen magnifier. You may now watch the movies from your phone on a 12 inches big screen. It has a solid wood grain foldable mobile phone screen which is suitable for watching movies on all smartphones. It is simple to use and may also be used to travel with. Our last gadget for the day is All-in-One Tools Mini Hammer Multi-Tool. It will be a cool unique gift for dad. When multi-tool hammer fits in your pocket, you won't need to carry around an entire toolbox. You won't have to rush back and forth to get tools any longer. It contains a variety of multi-purpose equipment to help your father with his home repair. 12-in-1 gadget for men including mini hammer, nail claw, plier, regular plier, wire cutter, knife, saw, serrated knife, screwdriver, bottle opener, more with a safety lock. It is a cool and helpful gadget to carry. What are your thoughts on all these gadgets? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.